Hello, today we will take a look at the jump settings feature. First, launch your Scorpio player app and then bring up the context menu. You can do this by right-clicking your mouse or clicking the menu button on your Xbox controller. Alternatively, you can click the gear icon in the transport controller and navigate to the playback menu. From there, select the skip setup option. You can see the default value is 10 seconds for jump duration and 30 seconds for go back duration, respectively. These are the available values for this setting. Now, let's quickly open a file. Please look at the pop-up message in the left bottom corner. Each jump will be 30 seconds, while each go back will be 10 seconds. Let's change the setting. Let's change it to 5 seconds for jump forward and 7 seconds for jump backward. Let's try again. Now, the jump forward duration is 7 seconds and the jump backward duration is 5 seconds. That's working good. I hope this information will be helpful to you. Thank you. See you next time.